I wasn't going to trade today. I just opened the charts to see what was going on, and suddenly I saw a situation that couldn't be missed. A perfect move, a clear level, and a signal that coincided with my logic. I decided to start recording right on the spot to show how sometimes the best trades come without much planning. In this video, you will see spontaneous but logical trading without complicated schemes, but with attention to details. Now, if you want to see real trading here and now, this video is definitely for you. Before I get started, I need to set up my account, and the strategy I use Heiken Ashi chart type time frame will be 1 minute. Now I need to enable the indicator. I will only need Donchian channels. In the indicator settings, I need to increase the period to 30 to expand the indicator zone. In the style settings, I will make the color of the middle line of the indicator turquoise and increase its thickness. I will also make it opaque. Now I'm going to start the session and tell you more about the strategy. It is very interesting and I'm sure you're definitely going to like it. Have you ever thought that most traders miss important points simply because of the lack of systematic analysis? In my Telegram channel, I share daily personal observations and analytics that help you see the market more clearly. To get into the channel, just follow the link in the description, subscribe and write me a private message. That way you can not only get the latest reviews, but also ask me a question directly if something seems unclear. I'll start working on this situation. I think you can make a profit here. I will use 1 minute trading time. I will start with the amount of $100. My prediction is that the price will go up, so I press the green button to open the trade. Now let's analyze this situation. The price chart is moving in the zone of Donchian channels indicator. The price is moving from the upper to the lower boundary of the indicator and vice versa. Now the price has been moving along the lower boundary of the indicator for quite a long time. There was a downtrend. Now the price has started to rise, but you can open a trade only when the trigger from the indicator is received. The price was rising and crossed the indicator's middle line. This is exactly the situation that I expect to see before opening a trade. Now I realize that the market has started a strong uptrend and the price will continue to rise. As you can see, the strategy is quite simple and it doesn't require any complex market analysis. A simple trigger from the indicator that you need to see and open a trade in time. Later I'm going to tell you about the rules of operation, so don't miss them. Wonderful. The trade is profitable. My capital has increased to $6,092. Keep working. Already looking for the next situation. After spending a little time searching, I'm ready to open another trade. I will leave the amount of the trade unchanged. This time I think the price will go up, so I open the trade. Let's go over it one more time. The price chart was declining and building below the indicator's midline along the lower boundary. The downward trend ended, the price reached its low and started to rise. As soon as the price chart crossed the middle line of the indicator, I opened the trade. The situation is fully formed and it is possible to make a profit. Now, when working, it is important not to rush to open trades. Always wait when the price chart crosses the indicator line. It is important to work with the strategy is suitable for any currency pair. There are no restrictions. By the way, I will make a small clarification. Now, the price chart should not just cross the average indicator line, but should be above it in an uptrend or below it in a downtrend. Now, stick to these rules and I'm definitely sure you will be able to pass through anything without no problems. Boom! Another profitable trade. Wow. Now I have $6,180 and that's just in a couple of trades. Now, a few more trades ahead. I think I can increase my capital even more. The amount of the trade is unchanged, $100. This time I found a situation on the downtrend and I am sure that I can make a profit. I press the red button to open the trade. As you can see, the situation has already formed. The price has started to decline and crossed the middle line of the indicator. So the market has started a strong trend. I want to give you a tip. Always carefully check the currency pair before opening a trade. A lot depends on the right currency pair. If you see that the previous indicator signals were unprofitable, then I do not recommend opening a trade in such a currency pair. It may still be unstable. You can just observe how the price charts will move and gain experience. And there is already $6,272 in the account. Let's open another trade. Let's try to increase the capital some more. I see that a strong uptrend has started. The price has started to rise quite rapidly. I have no doubts about the reliability of this situation. So let's observe how the price chart is going to move. Yes, friends, 4 out of 4 trades are definitely profitable. The strategy really works. I think you have clearly seen it. On the account now, the sum of $6,362 is here. Wow, this is an amazing result. Today I showed once again that a trader's main tool is called calculation and the ability to wait. You saw that I didn't rush into every move. I singled out the unnecessary and entered only where there was a chance for a strong signal. That's why the account grew again. Want a stable result? Then forget about chaos and learn to filter the market. This strategy is perfect for practicing discipline. Write in the comments what you think about this session.